Hi, East Texas. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus. We're going to start by taking a look at the temperatures so far here in the month of December. And it looks a little bit like it did the early part of November, where we got off to a very warm start. And then, of course, the temperature started to tumble. I'm seeing indications that as we get into the middle part of the month, and we've talked about this, how we could have a strong cold front that would come through around the 18th or the 19th, and it would bring us some decidedly colder air. We may have some of that colder air already showing up next Tuesday, Wednesday, or Thursday, and I'll show you the 10-day forecast in just a second. But it's really this part of the month that I'm eyeing for some stronger cold air, and then perhaps a secondary surge coming in toward the end of the month as we head toward the new year. So this warmer than average temperature regime here we're seeing this week that will last into the weekend, not surprising. It follows the cycling weather pattern now that we've seen, where we've had ridges build up ahead of big storm systems that can occasionally lead to severe weather. And next Tuesday on the 13th is one of those days where we have a big warm up, strong front comes through, strong storm system, severe weather, followed by some cooler air. All right, here's the 10-day temp trend. So tomorrow we're looking at daytime highs upper 70s. Mid-70s on Friday, still very warm. I wouldn't be surprised if we didn't sneak back up maybe to 77 again. This could sneak up close to 80 degrees again. We have a chance for a few morning showers tomorrow. Morning clouds giving way to afternoon sunshine might be why we're only at 77. There's a frontal boundary here Friday. That might be why we're down to 75. And then there's another front on Saturday. And the Saturday front, it finally moves through. Sunday morning, we are in the 50s, but then this front lifts back to the north as a warm front. That gives us the warmer weather on Monday, back up to 75. Tuesday, here comes the front. Now, it's the timing of the front that'll depend on this high temperature. Right now, the guidance suggests 70 degrees, meaning that we could have a mid to late afternoon front. Of course, we'd have plenty of clouds ahead of that. And then look how much cooler by Wednesday, down to 55. Thursday, down to 53. Lower 50s by Friday the 16th. And still cool on the 17th. All right, overnight tonight, one of these mild nights setting up for 66 for the overnight low. 65 in Jefferson, 65 at Jacksonville, 66 at Lufkin. A few showers out toward Sulphur Springs, Emory, and Canton. Maybe a sprinkle going over toward Jefferson or Linden, and partly cloudy skies over deep East Texas. 10-day low temperature trend in Tyler. So the next 3 mornings are going to be mild in the 60s. Gives us a break on the heating bill for sure. Even Sunday and Monday are pretty nice. Tuesday morning, 66. Again, the storm system arrive on Tuesday. Look how much cooler it is Wednesday. 44. Thursday, 37. Friday, 36. Saturday, the 17th, down to 37. Temperatures will fall below average here in days 8, 9, and 10. Rainfall reports for the month of December. So far, Tyler, just about 0.2 of an inch. Lufkin, less than 1/10 of an inch. So for the month, running roughly about a 1/2 inch to an inch below average. Lufkin, so far, no official rainfall in the gauge yet. For the year, still running at about 8 to almost a foot below average when it comes to rainfall across East Texas. Now, there's some hope for rain in the next 7 days. If you take a look at the color and you find the corresponding number on the legend, you will find that there is potential. And again, this includes showers on Saturday and the heavier chance for showers or thunderstorms next Tuesday. You will find anywhere from 3/4 of an inch to about 1.25 inches in Tyler, to around 1.5 inches up toward Gilmer, over toward Center, up toward Jefferson, 1.75 inches to 2 inches of rain up toward the Arklatex, and then you get into Louisiana and the rainfall gets a little bit heavier than that. Widening things out, you'll see that certainly central Arkansas, southwest Missouri, southern Missouri, Memphis, the Arklamis, all looking at anywhere from about 2 to maybe 3 inches of rainfall. So the heavier rain stays up to our northeast, but we still have a chance to pick up some decent rain. All right, let's start future skycast. This is Thursday morning, 6 a.m., maybe a couple of showers in the morning. I think more so overnight, and then the clouds will start to thin out by Thursday afternoon. Friday, here comes that frontal boundary. It makes it south of Tyler, washes out, lifts back to the north as a warm front, and then sags back to the south Saturday. And so Saturday afternoon, a 70% chance of rain. Timing on this is interesting. It could be Saturday afternoon. It may end up being Saturday night into Sunday morning. Regardless, it looks like it's a pretty good chance of rain. Sunday, then, the front drops down to the south, and the rain chance falls to about 20% by the afternoon. 30% on Monday, back up to a 70% chance of rain on Tuesday. Here's the severe weather outlook for Tuesday. We're looking at Tyler, Lufkin, Shreveport, Texarkana, just east of Dallas. This is all right now in what we would term a slight risk of severe weather. So scattered severe weather anywhere in this yellow area, shaded area. But again, we're still talking about Tuesday, so still 6 days away. This is going to change. It may shift back to the west. We'll probably get a refinement of this, maybe an upgrade to an enhanced risk of severe weather. This is very reminiscent of November 4th, even though it doesn't fit into the November 4th portion of the weather pattern. It's more like late October. And we had a fairly strong system come by in late October. It just didn't have the severe weather component with it. All right, tomorrow, Thursday, 9 a.m., 69 degrees, 20% chance of rain then the rest of the day, with temperatures making it up to about 76 to 77 by 3 p.m. High temperatures at Mount Pleasant, 74. Again, I think your better rain chances and maybe even a thunderstorm up toward Paris and Clarksville. Out to the southeast, partly cloudy skies over toward Linden, up toward Douglasville, over toward Caddo Lake. You're looking at temperatures that will generally be in the mid-70s, and it should be essentially a dry day. Then across our central counties, upper 70s. Gilmer, 75. Rain chances again out toward Canton, better than, say, down at Palestine, 78. 77 in Jacksonville, Henderson, Carthage, upper 70s. Deep East Texas, likely dry, partly sunny. Hemphill around 80. Lufkin around 80. Groveton around 80. 79 at Nacogdoches. Center around 79. And Crockett also around 79 degrees. So again, best chance for any rain, northern counties. Rest of the area likely sees a mixture of sun and clouds. So morning clouds, 20% chance of rain. Morning low 66, daytime high 77. AM showers Friday, 75 after a morning low of 64. Saturday, thunderstorms, not severe. Highs in the lower 70s. Then mostly cloudy Sunday, just a 20% chance of rain, 71. Scattered showers Monday, 75 for the high. 57 for the morning low, and then Tuesday, 70 for the high, with a 70% chance for thunderstorms. And we put the question marks behind the severe wording there because there is a chance that we have some strong or severe thunderstorms. That's ahead of the cold front. The actual cold front shows up on Wednesday. So some scattered showers along the front, but look how much cooler it is. 55, dropping to 37 by Thursday morning, 53 Thursday afternoon, and then a sunny, cool day Friday with a high around 51. Thanks for watching CBS 19 Plus.